a 150,000 purple legend with a 446-pack V8 under the hood. This 1970 Plymouth Road Runner V-Code is the muscle car that made the streets shake. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at one of the most legendary pieces of American muscle car history ever created, a 1970 Plymouth Road Runner V-Code 446-pack. This is not just a classic car. This is a rolling piece of Mopar history, a machine built during the golden era when horsepower ruled the streets and every detail was designed around pure performance. Finished in the legendary in violet exterior paint, this Road Runner immediately demands attention. The deep purple finish gives this muscle icon a rare and aggressive personality, perfectly matching the attitude of the legendary 446-pack engine hiding beneath the hood. This is the kind of color that turns a classic car into a collector's dream, combining vintage Mopar style with a presence that looks just as incredible today as it did over 50 years ago. The 1970 Plymouth Road Runner was created with one mission: deliver maximum performance without unnecessary luxury. It was a car designed for enthusiasts who wanted raw power, aggressive styling, and a connection between driver and machine. But this particular example takes that formula to another level with the highly desirable V-Code 446-pack V8. Under the hood sits the legendary 440 cubic inch 6-pack V8, one of Chrysler's most famous big block engines. With three 2-barrel carburetors feeding this massive engine, the 446-pack delivers explosive acceleration and the unmistakable sound that defines classic Mopar muscle. Every press of the throttle brings instant torque, a powerful exhaust note, and the feeling of a true street warrior from the peak of the muscle car era. Power is delivered through a 727 automatic transmission, one of the most respected transmissions ever produced by Chrysler. Known for its durability and smooth shifting performance, the TorqueFlite automatic makes this Road Runner easy to enjoy while still delivering the brutal performance expected from a big block Mopar. The factory-style rear end with a 3-5-5-1 gear ratio helps provide the perfect balance between aggressive acceleration and comfortable cruising. This setup allows the 446-pack engine to deliver strong launches while maintaining the classic driving experience that collectors love. Helping put that power to the pavement are the iconic Magnum 500 wheels wrapped in BFGoodrich Radial T tires. The staggered tire setup features 245 60-15 tires up front and wider 275 60-15 tires in the rear, giving this Road Runner a muscular stance and improved road presence. The wide rear tires perfectly complement the aggressive body lines, creating the classic performance look that made these cars famous. The exterior design stays true to the original muscle car formula. Hood pins add a race-inspired touch, while the Road Runner graphics proudly display this car's identity. Fresh exterior chrome adds a brilliant finishing touch, making the body shine from every angle. Even details like the finished trunk and spare tire show the level of attention given to this restoration. Beneath the car, the attention to detail continues. The painted underside provides a clean and finished appearance, while factory-style mufflers and exhaust maintain the authentic muscle car character. New brake lines, new fuel lines, a new gas tank, and updated hardware ensure this classic is prepared for reliable enjoyment. The lined wheel wells add another premium detail, showing that this Road Runner was restored with both appearance and quality in mind. It is not just a car built to look good at a show. It represents the craftsmanship and dedication needed to bring a legendary Mopar back to life. Inside the cabin, the Road Runner delivers the perfect combination of simplicity and classic style. The black vinyl interior creates a timeless muscle car atmosphere, while wood grain trim adds a touch of vintage sophistication. The front bucket seats provide a sporty driving position, while the rear bench seat keeps the traditional muscle car layout. The center console adds convenience and style, while the Road Runner emblem steering wheel reminds you that you're sitting behind the controls of something special. The factory-style radio and black dashboard maintain the original character, keeping the interior faithful to the era. Every part of this 1970 Plymouth Road Runner V-Code 446 pack tells a story. From the legendary in-violet paint to the thunderous big block engine, this car represents a time when manufacturers built machines with personality, attitude, and unforgettable performance. With a price tag of around $150,000, this Road Runner stands among the most desirable collector-grade Mopar muscle cars available today. It represents rarity, history, and the emotional connection that only a true classic American muscle car can provide. The 1970 Plymouth Road Runner V-Code 446 pack is more than just a vehicle. It is a symbol of an era when horsepower was king, engines had character, and every drive was an unforgettable experience. This is the sound, style, and spirit of classic American muscle, preserved forever in one incredible machine.